Coming across a certain platform, here are some striking posts about striving to learn Bisaya. These just show the motivation of these individuals. But it's common that motivation falters after several days or months. What could be reasons for this reduction in vigor? Which leads us to today's topic on the reasons why Bisaya learning is a big challenge. Mga rason nganong ang pagtuon og Bisaya kay dako nga hagit. Reason number 1. Ever experienced this? Most, if not all, Bisaya native speakers do not know the rules of the language. For example, my experience with a student goes like this. Oo, mobisita Mount Apo in order to makita ang Philippine Eagle. As I have noticed, or as I have corrected, oo, mobisita ko sa Mount Apo para makita ang Philippine Eagle. Guess what I answered when I was asked by my student this? What's the reason why you use such words in the correction? And of course, I said, because it sounds right. I really can't explain the reason behind. So if you know a native, you'll surely meet this kind of answer. So this is just a heads up. Another common challenge in learning Bisaya is found in these posts. What do you think is the challenge here? Yes, you're right. I don't know if you experienced this as well, but my students, including old and new, struggle with finding resources. Personally, I have met 2 to 3 formal books only. All others are websites, blog, etc. Next challenge. Do these look familiar? How about these? A bit overwhelming, right? Yet, we have to face reason number 3, where verbs have so many conjugations and affixes largely affect the mood, focus aspect of the verb. Off to our 4th reason. It is expected to have different Bisaya variations, Cebu, Davao, Dumaguete, etc. versions, but they are mostly similar with each other. So, the variations depend on the location in the Bisaya speaking or Visayas and Mindanao areas. And let's listen to this for our 5th reason.
Mga rason nganong ang pagtuon og Bisaya kay dako na
This
hagit.
last factor involves pronunciation needing a lot of getting used to. What's the use in identifying these challenges? Please comment your thoughts. Are you ready to face challenge with how to conjugate verbs? Please see video above for more learning. I would like to leave you with hope though. And I am so happy to say, padayon, mamaayo ra gyud kag Bisaya pohon.